It's finally time to take this out for a drive. It's been so long since I've driven the 4C, and actually I'm doing it on the cusp of a storm which is inbound, well, probably in about an hour. So I want to try and get this out, go for a little drive, give you guys a quick update on this thing and just look what's going on. There's lots going on, but first of all, this driveway is really winding me up. We've got a lot of work to do on this driveway, and actually for those of you who are UK based will know that we just came out of the back of a storm, Kira or whatever it was. We had tree branches fall off the tree, hit that phone line, snap the phone line all the way down and rip it off the side of the house. Not cool. Also, this tree needs to go, so yeah, you need to disappear. But anyway, right, let's jump in the 4C and let's go for a drive. Oh man, I haven't driven this car in a while, mainly because, struggling with the seatbelt, mainly because, well, one, the weather's been really crappy. I don't like driving this car in the winter. It's still on summer tyres, great, and of course I've had the TTRS for a month, which I have massively enjoyed driving. Unfortunately, as you can see, the TTRS is now gone. TT's gone, so I'm left with the, can't see much there, can you? I've got the Mrs. A1 and we've got the 4C. Now in this video I thought it'd be cool just to take this car out for a bit of a drive before the storm hits and give you guys a bit of an update as to kind of what's coming in the very short term, because there's some really cool stuff coming, and a bit of an update and basically the next few videos which are en route to the channel. Oh, that's a nice dog. One of the things that I instantly find when driving the 4C, and I haven't driven this car for a while, is just how mechanical and raw it is. Flipping Nora. We're taking a slightly different route today than what I normally do. For those who aren't aware, welcome to Bray. Bray is a very nice small village, and for those of you who are into their food, you'll know that Heston Blumenthal, Michelin star chef and all that fancy stuff, has his restaurant, the Fat Duck here, and the Heinz Head. Really nice. We're just going through Bray now, and you can probably see super small little village. Just here on the right hand side is the Fat Duck, and on the left hand side is the Heinz Head. Beautiful little village. I really love living around these areas. So nice. As I disturb the peace first thing in the morning. And the sound of that dual clutch gearbox on the 4C is insane. I mean, this is such a cool car, guys. It is such a good car. And of course, really, the last time I've driven this is the last time I've driven this is when I went to Bruntingthorpe to film the Mini DT edition. So it's been nearly a month. And I guess that kind of goes to show you that this car, I just don't drive it. And obviously I think it's been helped because I've had press cars, and obviously the weather hasn't helped. But one thing I can say is that when I do get back into this, it does feel special. It is super loud inside the cabin though, so if you fancy having a conversation with your passenger, take their car, not this one. But I really kind of quickly wanted to give you guys an update as to what kind of videos are coming up. I'm filming this on Saturday the 15th of February, and I'm hoping to get this out tonight on Saturday the 15th of February. Just to give you a bit of a flavour, because we're going to Switzerland, we're going to Davos, and we're going to do some ice driving or snow driving. Now, I've never done that before. In fact, I tell a lie, I have done that before and that didn't go too well. Yeah, it definitely didn't go too well. But we're going to do some snow driving. Not in this car, mind you. I know some of you will be like, yeah, 4C, snow, Switzerland, that'd be amazing. But let's be honest, I won't bring the car back, I'll just write it off. No, we're going to Switzerland with Seat Cupra for a limited edition car. There's only 100 of them coming to the UK, and we're going to get the opportunity to drive it out in the snow. I'm going with Joe Achilles, so I'm really looking forward to that. And in fact, I think I need it. I need a little bit of a break away from the UK, just to kind of try and reset my mind a little bit. Been having a bit of a tough time here in the UK lately, just with work and creativity and trying to create stuff and thinking of ideas. of ideas to make videos, because winter months are always difficult for me, and unfortunately I suffer quite badly from bad weather. It really just kind of makes me feel good. So yeah, so we have a trip to Switzerland, and we're flying out on Monday morning, so after tomorrow actually. Me and Joe will be going out there, and it should be really cool. So I'm going to be bringing you guys a bit of a travel vlog, and of course a review on the car and the snow driving experience, which will just be, it'll just be mega. It'll be really, really cool. Really looking forward to that. What else have we got going? Well, I've just recently filmed a video on the Giulio Quadrifoglio. We know we like Giulio Quadrifoglio stuff, but the 6 Underground version. The 6 Underground is this 4C is so raw. Yeah, the 6 Underground. So for those of you who watched the film, you guys all know which car I'm talking about. It's an adrenaline green car that they used in the Ryan Reynolds film 6 Underground. So there's a video coming on that, which I'm super excited to show you. The car looks so cool. The camera just doesn't do it justice. But with massive thanks to Thames Group, I was able to get hold of the car, film a quick video for you, and that is coming to the channel very, very soon. Towards the end of Feb, we've got a trip with Mini, it's still in the UK, around to Oxford, to test drive, or to drive and review the brand new Mini Electric. Now this is a car, oh, speed bumps. This is a car I'm quite excited about. It's a big car for Mini, really big car. Because obviously electrification is such a big deal at the moment. And oh look, horse. Ah, it's just the kind of thing we have around these ways, just random horses just walking the streets. Electrification is such a big thing for Mini, so I'm looking forward to driving that. Of course, also I've got a detailer popping down at the end of Feb to detail the 4C, give it a full polish, because as you already aware if you watched my video yesterday, I will be putting the 4C up for sale, and I'll talk about that in another video. When it goes up for sale, still not 100%, but I can tell you one thing is it will be going up for sale, because there's a lot of things that have kind of cropped up and a lot of things that I need to really kind of focus on. There's horse poo all over the road. There's a lot of things I need to kind of focus on at the moment in my private life, and yeah, the 4C is going to go. What else? I mean, let's touch on this car a bit, because you haven't really been in it with me for a while, and yeah, it's just, oh, that's the other thing. Sorry, tomorrow, which is Sunday, I'm off to Cafe in the Machine. Probably a very stupid thing to do, considering the fact that we've got the second storm of the week, which is called Storm Dennis, and I've got the car out today, literally probably about an hour before it's going to start tipping it down, and yeah, I just wanted to drive it before, well, I go another weekend without driving the 4C. But we are going to Cafe in the Machine for my monthly roadster meet. I'm a bit conscious of the weather, so I'm a bit worried that I don't want people to drive there and be unsafe. So it's going to be a very chilled out drive to Cafe in the Machine. We're probably going to get blown away when we get there, but summer tyres on this car in this weather just no. It's a bit loud. So yeah, so I've got that with the roadster go, but I'm going to be going in a Porsche 911 992 Carrera 4S. Very excited for that. So there'll be a video on the Porsche Carrera 992 4S. That's coming to the channel soon as well. It's one of the press cars actually that I was with when I did the trip to Northumberland with Porsche. So that's going to be really cool. So there's some cool content coming to the channel, but I also need to touch on the realistic fact that I am very much burnt out, and it's really starting to affect me, and I need to scale back a bit, and that will all come in the next video that I'm sure you guys will see. Not the next video, because there's a few come before then, but oh my god, what was I saying? Yeah, burnout, very real at the moment, and it's I'm finding it quite difficult, but again, I'll touch on that in a separate video. This car is so cool, man. It's beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy driving the TTRS a lot more than this in this kind of weather, but as I said earlier on, when I'm in this car there's something special about it, and it will always connect you so much to the road and give you that sensation of driver involvement. It is so good. Mind you, with carbon tubs, everything that I'm driving over I am hearing. You're hearing I'm having to shout in this car because it is very loud, very, very loud. But once you really kind of get into it and drive it for what it's worth and what it's meant to be, it's just so special, so special. But yeah, so this is, I love the car, I really do, but for me, I need to think a little bit more practical as well, and unfortunately, I mean, the car's only just hit 10,000 miles. I've only done 5,000 miles on it since I bought it, and it's been a year. So, you know, kind of go figure. I know I said a couple of videos back that this was a car that I'm happy to leave on the driveway, but things are changing, and I'm not necessarily happy to leave it on the driveway anymore. What an experience though, man. But anyway, yeah guys, I really don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be, because really it was just a chance for me to give you guys a quick update as to what's going on. Obviously a good couple of things coming on the channel very, very shortly, but also some very real challenges that I'm facing personally around burnout that I need to address, because if I'm being completely honest with you, at this moment in time I'm starting to hate YouTube and social media a little bit, and that's not good. If I want to make this a sustainable hobby slash potential career, I need to enjoy what I'm doing, and right now I'm not. And there's a few things behind that. I think part of it is personal frustration, part of it is just everything that's going on with life at the moment, and the biggest one really is my work-life balance. You know, I classify YouTube as another job. I classify YouTube as another job, and unfortunately it is taking its toll on my only bit of free time that I have with the missus, and as much as I love creating stuff for you guys, I'm not going to do it if it means that my personal life is massively affected. So I need to make some changes. The video on that coming soon. Anyway, let's get this car back because, well, the storm is coming. I can see the clouds getting pitch black, and I've got a lot of things to do today and prepare for Davos, Switzerland, and my drive to Cafe and Machine in the Porsche 992 tomorrow. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick update. If you did, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. I would really love it if you subscribe to the channel, because it will help me get to 50,000 subscribers. It will help me feel that this is all worth it, and yeah, I'd really appreciate it. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. So yeah, please do so guys, and I will see you all very soon on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.